All right. Just want to go over a little bit more of this bank account program and the interest account that we were just working on. So just to kind of test it, we coded some stuff here. We made interest account, extended bank account, and we added this pay interest method and all that stuff. So just to see if it's working, I'm going to go to my runner account that just has main in it, and I'm going to make some. So I'm going to do like bank account. Maybe we'll make a date account. My wife always wants to go on date night, so we'll make a date account, bank account equals new bank account, and we give it a name, so date funds. Okay, and then let's see from there. So just to make sure it works, let's see if we can. It starts off with no money, so I could print that out. I could do like date account dot get balance. And then I could try to deposit. So let's do date account dot deposit $50 or something. Take her out to a nice restaurant, maybe date account dot get balance. Okay, and let's just kind of see if that's working. So that's just the basics of bank account there. Okay, so $50. All right, and then maybe I'm going to try it now if it was an interest account. So I'm going to say interest account, new interest account. And I'll still have my date account, but it's just a different type now. It's a interest account. And if we look here back at a constructor, I also need to pass in the interest rate. So besides calling it date funds, I'm going to pass in a double. Say I get 5% interest, that'd be really fantastic. But now let's see if I can actually pay some interest to it. All right, so now that date account is an interest account, I'm going to deposit, and then I'm going to call date account dot pay interest. So that'll just do the 5% times the balance. So that should be 5% of that would be like $250, I think. And then it should put it right in the account. So this should be $52.50 if I did it right. Okay, and just to show you that, again, this, date account I'm using like deposit, remember, is actually a method that's up here, not an interest account, but they all flow down. So all of these I should have access, all these public methods. So like even get account name, I can try that one quick. So I can sys print my date account dot get account name just to verify that it actually works and everything. Okay, so it says date funds, which is the name I gave it right there. So you can see that that's kind of neat. Is again all of the methods from here flow down. So right now, if I want to go on this date and withdraw money, I can call date account dot withdraw. So maybe I'll take out $30 because I need to spend some money on this date. And then let's see how much money is left in the account. And I encourage you to do this, right? Kind of play around a little bit. I know on this one, you're mostly just kind of watching me do it and stuff. But on the next one, you're going to be making bonus account, right? So you're going to add some code to the bonus account here. And I encourage you, once you have it done, to go into the runner, and play around with it. Make a bonus account, see if your methods work, see if you can call all the ones from the superclass, make sure everything's working okay. All right, so that's kind of where you're going next. Is there'll be this bank account. I should probably change this to the bonus account. But basically, you're going to be in here, and you're going to have to start by getting these files. And then I would kind of watch the video and program along with the video. I think that might be the easiest way to do this. So that is it. Thanks for watching part 2 here.